Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for braised lamb with fennel. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a medium sized saucepan, which is oven proof, or a casserole dish, and we spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. We pop it onto a medium heat, and into that we're going to add some diced lamb. I've just cut this lamb up into about 1 inch or 2 centimeter squares. We'll let the lamb cook for 7 to 8 minutes, just till it's cooked and browned on both sides. So now that our lamb's ready and braised, we're just going to start to add our vegetables. Start off with some sliced celery, then some sliced carrots, some chopped onions, and some crushed garlic. Just give that a little stir around, let the vegetables cook for 4 to 5 minutes, just until they start to soften. Then we're going to add our chopped fennel, and we're going to season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give that a quick stir around. We'll let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel, and it means I can make further videos for you. Now that they're starting to soften, we're going to add some lemon juice, some dry white wine, and some lamb or chicken stock. Now obviously homemade is best, but if not, just use a stock cube. Again, we'll give that a stir around just to get all the flavours incorporated. Now we're going to add to that the tips of the fennel that we've just finely chopped. Then we're going to pop the lid on, and we're going to take that over to a preheated oven, which has been heated to 160 degrees centigrade, 140 fan, or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook that for 60 to 90 minutes, just depending on the thickness of your lamb, until all the vegetables are cooked and the lamb's just nicely braised. Now I like to serve my lamb and fennel along with some boiled potatoes, but you can serve yours with some mashed potatoes, some baked potatoes, or just some extra vegetables. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.